Hey there, this is Tony Smith in Miami Beach. Today we're in Bat Harbor at the Bat Harbor Marina. Some really nice boats. Let me flip the camera around and show you a few things. Okay, what you'll see here at the Bat Harbor Marina, we got some really lovely boats. I was just on this Benetti 115, that's a 1998. Right next to it, there's a huge Arno Leopard, a nice IAG. This is a really protected marina down here. Very lovely area in North Miami Beach. So just wanted to show one of these really exclusive and unique marinas here in Miami Beach. If you're in the market for a super yacht this season, please feel free to reach out to me, Tony Smith, Dennison Yachting. We get a whole team of people. This week I'm working at the Miami Beach Marina, but we've got locations in Dania Beach, Fort Lauderdale is our super yacht office, as well as West Palm are the primary locations that we cover, and always have local expertise for marinas such as this one here in Bat Harbor. Here's a view of the Bat Harbor Marina. Really a great little basin. It's all nice and protected here. A whole variety of super yachts right in here. Beautiful day in Miami Beach. Benetti 115 there. So thanks again. If you're in the market for a yacht this season, please feel free to reach out at the contact info below.
For additional information, please email me at ts@dennisonyachting.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and be on the lookout for additional videos